Welcome to the presentation on Part 9, Performance Gaps. This section of the local application requires a description of the gaps in student performance as identified in the submitted CLNA and the actions LEAs are taking to address identified gaps. LEAs will use the information provided in the submitted CLNA, Part 2, Student Performance, lines 3, 4, and 5, to compare the performance of all subgroups within your LEA to the state-determined levels of performance. Identify the largest gap areas between subgroups and members of special populations and the performance of all CTE concentrators and completers served by the LEA. Then describe how you will address the gaps. As a reminder, the CLNA, Part 2, Line 3, reports on the performance of CTE learners as compared to non-CTE learners at the LEA level. Part 2, Line 4, reports on the performance of special population members as compared to CTE learners at the LEA level. And Part 2, Line 5, reports on the performance of subgroups, gender, race, and ethnicities as compared to CTE learners at the LEA level. In this section, you will select one or more boxes that describe the LEA's plan to carry out elements that support the implementation of CTE programs of study that result in increasing student achievement on performance indicators, one of the 6 required local uses of funds. Select all that apply and/or use the other specified boxes to add additional information. Examples may include cross-curricular activities, actions LEAs take to embed English, math, science, and advanced academics into CTE classrooms, such as combined PLCs, coordinated curriculum development, or joint lesson planning opportunities. Diversity awareness training, LEA strategies and methodologies to increase cultural understanding of student populations, identification of needs for special population members, and collaborative department efforts within the LEA, such as CTE instructors attending special education training sessions. Supports for members of special populations, such as training paraprofessionals and support personnel to assist students in CTE classrooms, staff professional development addressing members of special population concerns, and the elimination of financial barriers for economically disadvantaged students. Thank you for participating in this part of the Perkins 5 local application training. If you need additional assistance, please contact one of the CTE specialists at the Texas Education Agency or your Education Service Center CTE specialist.